Hi guys, welcome to my first tutorial in English. In this tutorial I would like to show you a concept I personally call inverse programming. It is a very simple but very powerful concept in Eclipse to create Java code much more faster than uh, the most common methods. The first step I would like to show you how you can create new methods in Java by just declaring the signature of the method and let Eclipse create the method itself. And in the second step, I show you how you can uh, change methods in a very simple and fast way. So the first thing here, I just created a simple class called tutorial inverse programming. I create a simple method with a single parameter. That's maybe the entry point of our simple tutorial. And now let's say I would like to use within this method another method, and the common way would be, oh, I think I need a new method, so I just create the method. I create the return type, the name, and the signature by hand. And now I create a return value, and I use the method in this one. So that's the common way to create a new method and use the new method. But now I would like to show you a more faster way to create that new method. And that's very simple. Just use it in Eclipse. Just use the method as it exists, but you can Eclipse let create the new method. The principle is very simple. So I think I need a return value, and now I use a method that does not exist, and I just put in that parameter. So I declared what kind of return value the method needs to return and the signature. And now I just press Control 1, and Eclipse shows me this option, create method. And if I double click that one, the new method gets created by Eclipse. And now I can use the tab to tab through the different parameters like this. I want that method to be a private method, the return type, the name, and the parameter. And just double press escape to end this edit mode. I delete that line, and now I have full functional new method created by Eclipse without typing all that stuff I need to create a new method, to define a new method. So that's all. That's the first step to get real fast. And so I'm able to create new code in a very fast way, just concentrating on the first method. And after that, I create all inline methods I need to complete the code. So just like that. I don't care that that makes no sense, but I just use it. End result. And now I press Control 1, let create it, and then do the next thing just with that value and so on. So I can create in a very, very, very simple and fast way new methods. So the next thing is to change existing methods in a very, very fast way. Let's say we have another parameter. So let me delete that stuff and that stuff. Just leave that method here. And now we have a new parameter. We know there is outside of this class a new parameter we want to put into that method and then put into that method. So the common way would be to change this signature. After that, I put the new parameter in there. I just do it in param B, then putting it here, param B, then putting it here in param B, but that's a real long way to do that. So the inverse programming is just very fast way to change the method by using it. And that's like this. Param B, I just use a parameter that doesn't exist yet, pressing Control 1, and now using here create param B. Now Eclipse doesn't know the type of the parameter, so we just change it by pressing Tab, changing it, and pressing Enter. And now we created a new parameter coming from outside into this method. And now we just see that the method here is with a red underline marked. So we just need to press again Control 1, change method, press enter, and it's changed. So we just typed the name of the parameter, the type, and we are done. That's all. That's a part of reverse programming in Eclipse. So I hope this tutorial is helpful, and in the next tutorial I will show you more tips and tricks for Java programmers, especially in Eclipse. I hope you like it. Um, Till the next time.